Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wagwan, me there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Big up, you see? Yeah, my people, just some things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first. If you decide that you're going to travel to go somewhere, whether it wants to be from country to town or even from the country that you're born into somewhere overseas, and if someone asks you to carry something or some things for them, be very careful. See? Be very careful of carrying anything for anyone to anywhere, whether it wants to be overseas or just within your country. See? I could have your friend, I could have even your closest family. Now this might be old news, but I'm going to present a video to you. You can hear more than one person talking in this video. But in my point of view, this video shows when a certain amount of things had been searched, and you might be surprised to see what had been discovered. The word drugs had been mentioned in the video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself and tell me what you think. Look it up.
No. What's the name of the apple? No, it's a freezer. A cheese patty? I know this. Yeah, we check them around for you. The man that everybody listen. You know, it's
keep looking.
Yeah.
Keep looking, my people. You keep looking. Not done yet. Just go and look.
How was it? Prepare this. That's it. Prepare it. You can't put it back in. No, put it in this one.
Something like this, sir.
Something like that. Put it in this. No, put it on it. Yeah, another sugar.
See it there?
I know you're clean now. So the bottom. You have to pull the next part. I'm thinking that line. Yeah, you're supposed to stand up on it. Stand up on it.
This is something error.
Something like this. I dream on it. I'm going to get a dream. I'm going to catch up dominant. We're back. We're this.
Yes, sir. Look what I want, people. Just look.
Boy.
Yeah, I've got it. Come on. You got to do it, pack or something. Okay. Okay. Cut it now. Cut it. Let's cut it here. Let's cut it. You have to clean out the thing out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Wash it out, yeah? No, wash it. Just cut it. Something go on. Anything in there, you see it. I know, cut it. I look like something underneath that, yeah? Oh, this. I look like I got some drugs.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
I hate
Yeah, listen. Listen.
I
Look.
hate murder.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I hate man.
Take off the whole thing. No, like Jim get last night.
Not carry nothing.
Okay.
Not carry nothing. Sit there.
Okay.
Sit there.
Why looking at the people?
They come back for them.
Not carry nothing error.
Okay, sir.
Need a pot cheese.
A joke, okay, sir. No, they couldn't sleep back at the gym with it. 2 gym past.
Yeah, you could turn Christian, you know? You could turn Christian.
Men must be up and tell her
You could turn Christian.
Is that his phone?
Look here. See a little bag of tear up there too.
See if I got a tear up. You're not going to need that.
No, leave that. You remember the gym I get last night? That was it, don't know. No.
Jesus Christ.
No, man, no, man, don't Jeffrey.
The same thing that you do with brother.
Jeffrey, you see all them people sit there up to that here? Yeah. They see before I'm tell everybody. Look. Yeah.
So, she might say go give she, in Jamaica man sell this thing.
Yes, then I'm
What you do? We call him and get them up.
Yeah, of course.
Now, I know that some of you might have seen that video before, but I think it is highly important that each and everyone be very careful if you decide that you're going to carry something or some things for someone when you're traveling. If somebody case not carry nothing for nobody, none at all when you are travel, you're safer that way. The best person to trust is your own self. As some you look on like, because watch it. In a different days, not even your own family you can trust so easy. Me I tell you that look away. But my people, let me know anything about that video, because I have some things I want to talk to you about. So next topic. Now this is an update about a video that is circulating on social media that shows some things that happened during a confrontation or altercation between two persons. And based on what I saw in the video, I got the understanding that at one point, one person put handcuffs on one person who was wearing a certain type of uniform. Now, I'm going to tell you whatsoever I found out about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. But before we present certain things to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you like the way how I bring information to you, my viewers and subscribers, please do the same. Support the Dancehall Skilla channel. Now, I'm going to present a piece of a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this piece of video. Observe.
The traffic wardens are our brothers and sisters in arms. They may not carry firearms, but they are brothers and sisters in arms. So I just wanted to let them know.
Yeah, listen.
We love all you. That guy don't represent us.
Listen.
That guy, he was on his own. He was doing his own madness. I can only say or speak on based on what I saw. I don't know the whole facts. I don't know the start. I don't know the what I saw there. Terrible policing. Terrible policing. Terrible policing. And we had to fix that. We had to fix that. Alright? Because that is madness. Madness! Madness! Okay? Alright.
I don't really mean for laugh, but couldn't help that part. Mad. Alright, some people, tell me what I think about the words that the person used in that video, you know. However, I saw a post that had been made on a social media page or a social media account for the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, see? And I'm going to read some words from that post to you, my viewers and subscribers, see? Now listen. Please bear with me if I skip out any word, any at all. That's what I say. I just do my best to read some of the words them. You see? Now, a part of the post say, update. COP bracket AG Christopher suspends officer involved in viral video with traffic warden in POS. So another part of the post said the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service is confirming that the police officer who was involved in an altercation with a traffic warden has been suspended from actual duty by the acting commissioner of police. There's a first name, so the last name, Christopher, pending the outcome of the investigation into the incident. Another part of the post said the Professional Standards Bureau, bracket PSB, is currently investigating the incident. Corporate Communications Unit, January 30th, 2023. Alright, cool. I could get down to another part of this now, see? So another part of the post said TTPS COP bracket AG Christopher launches investigation into viral video involving officer traffic warden in POS. Listen, the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service bracket TTPS is confirming that the man seen in the viral video incident with a female traffic warden is a police officer of the TTPS. Alright, listen again now. Let me read some more anyways. The police officer who was off duty. Let me read that again. The police officer who was off duty and the female traffic warden are currently assisting investigators of the Professional Standards Bureau, bracket PSB, of the TTPS following an alleged altercation. Well, I'm not going to say that word there, because it depends on when the post had been made, which occurred along Frederick Street, Port of Spain. Commissioner of Police, bracket AG, and see the name right there, so, and the word confirms. My people, there are more words there. I don't think I really need to read out all of this. Let me see. Alright, so I left that there, so. So I hope that you get a good understanding about the situation, viewers and subscribers. Me, Dancehall Skilla, I will always do my best to bring you information as accurate as possible. Now I come with a bag of assumptions and all kind of hearsay thing. You know what I mean? I try my best to bring accurate information. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You all appreciate it. You see? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.